We had some pizza balls left over, and now we're going to put them to good use by making some schiacciatine. And so you simply just take the leftover dough and gently stretch it without ripping the gluten strands. And then you press your fingers into it, and then after it relaxes, you will stretch them just a little bit more. This will be covered with olive oil and salt and placed into the oven. So as the dough has relaxed, we've been able to stretch it a bit more. We're going to drizzle it with olive oil. If ever you have a chance to be in Scarperia in Italy, you have to visit the Forno Fioravanti. These are our friends, and they make the best schiacciata ever. So now, let's drizzle it with olive oil. Just like so. And now we're gonna put the typical fingerprints in that makes the schiacciata. First a little sea salt. Leave it here. And one last one. And now with my fingertips, I'm going to press in these typical little imprints that make it into a true schiacciata. We transfer them all on the peel, and the oven is preheated and they're going in. So Sara is the expert at making the fire in the oven. You can see it on the side. And the oven is nicely preheated. Now we're going to put the peel inside. Now we're going to go to the back and knock these guys off. And there they are. We're going to close the door and let the oven do its magic. Our schiacciatine are finally ready. We're going to pull them out. Oops, I'm just going to stack them on top of each other. Here's the ones from the back as well. And look at these beauties. Let's get that one as well. And here are our beautiful schiacciatine, and I'm going to show you what you can do with them. You can slice them open just like this, and then fill them with your favorite cold cuts, tuna, lettuce, tomatoes, or whatever else you would like. Or you can just slice them into slices and serve them like this for the meal. Buon appetito!